Welcome to my channel Sagati Solutions. Migrate Google Workspace to Microsoft 365. Simplify your Google Workspace to Microsoft 365 migration with secure, reliable, and step-by-step best practices. What makes the Sagati Google Workspace backup tool the right choice? Preserves folder hierarchy and metadata. Skip duplicate items. Multiple mailbox mapping support. Selective item type migration. Easy to use interactive interface. Why choose the Sagati Google Workspace backup tool over native tools? Backup emails, Drive, contacts, and calendars. Export data to PST, PDF, MBOX, CSV. Selective mailbox backup. Step 1. Install and run the Sagati Google Workspace to Office 365 migration tool. Step 2. Authenticate the source Google Workspace tenant, OAuth 2.0 or domain-wide delegation. Step 3. Select the users or mailboxes going into the current batch. Step 4. Authenticate the destination Microsoft 365 tenant. Step 5. Enter the login credentials via Modern Auth or Client ID, Secret ID. Step 6. Map each source user to its destination mailbox. Step 7. Apply filters. Date range, item type, duplicate handling, resume on failure. Step 8. Run the batch and review the completion report before starting the next one. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos.